Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power and confirming the bulbs are cool, safety first. Put on insulated gloves and place a stable ladder where you can reach comfortably. Once positioned, use a cloth to steady the bulb. This prevents fingerprints and improves grip. Check the socket type and the bulb base to make sure your replacement matches, because mismatched bases won't seat and can cause flicker or damage. Make sure to keep used bulbs in a small container to avoid dropping them as you prepare to remove the first bulb. You remove the old bulb by turning screw bases counterclockwise or using the press and twist motion for bayonet fittings. If the bulb is stuck, wiggle gently while supporting the fixture to avoid breaking glass. For LED or integrated modules, disconnect the low-voltage connector and note polarity. Label wires if needed. Insert the new bulb and seat it fully, clockwise for screw bases, so electrical contact is solid. Once seated, do not over-tighten. Snug is enough. Take a moment to wipe the new bulb so there are no oils that shorten its life. You finish by restoring power and testing each string segment, confirming all bulbs light consistently. If one flickers, make sure it's fully seated and compatible with any dimmer. Many LEDs need dimmer-compatible models. If multiple bulbs fail, check the breaker or fuse and the string's wiring connections because overloads can trip circuits. If a bulb breaks, turn the breaker off before touching the fixture. Use gloves and a small brush to collect shards and dispose safely. Once everything checks out, secure any loose sockets and enjoy even illumination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.